Thank you, Thibault. The beauty of Toyota's fuel cell technology is that it's highly transferable. Our compact fuel cell modules are already being used in a variety of large vehicle applications. For example, in Japan, we've introduced the Toyota Sora bus. And in Europe, our fuel cell technology is installed in buses, produced by our partners at Caetano in Portugal. In the US and Japan, we're demonstrating how our technology is adopted in trucks. And the story goes well beyond trucks and buses. For instance, these forklifts are powered by hydrogen fuel cells. We're also testing our technology in trains and integrating it into boats. And last but not least, we're piloting our modules in generators to provide power at factories, large events, or in case of emergencies. So what about the cost? Toyota has a strong track record in steadily reducing the cost of new environmental technology, as can be seen by our ability to make hybrids affordable for all. The new Mirai provides us with a large base volume that delivers increased economies of scale. Furthermore, taking advantage of our latest technology, we have developed improved modular systems for use in a wide variety of applications. This approach allows for the standardization of key components, which again results in lower costs. Some people ask us, should we then wait for a few years before implementing the latest technology? I have a simple answer. Decarbonization is inevitable. There is no turning back. In such case, the smart thing to do is to get started, move fast, and be first. Toyota is leading the way by investing strongly in hydrogen society. We invest in next-generation fuel cell vehicles, we invest in opening new markets and new applications, we invest in additional production capacity for fuel cell stacks, and we invest in our organization right here in Europe. To support the rapidly expanding interest in hydrogen technology, we've established a dedicated fuel cell business unit in Brussels, with commercial, engineering, and module assembly responsibilities. So we are ready, and our technology is ready, for an increasing number of customers and partners that are inspired by the future hydrogen society. Thibault?
Thank you, Freddy. As we add new applications, the business case for fuel cell becomes stronger and the hydrogen society comes closer. But what can we do to get there sooner? The key to accelerating progress is building scale and momentum in key areas and then widening from there. And that suggests a focus on hydrogen clusters or ecosystems in the short term. A cluster can grow from a critical mass of infrastructure, linking hydrogen suppliers and consumers. Fleets of taxis, buses, and commercial vehicles can be concentrated around hydrogen infrastructure. The use of hydrogen in other applications, like generators, can complement this. This concentration will drive the demand for hydrogen and make the hydrogen infrastructure viable, as scale will bring down cost. And then this in turn will attract more hydrogen consumers, and we enter a positive spiral of further demand growth and lower prices, which gradually brings hydrogen into the mainstream. The first hydrogen clusters are already expanding across Europe. For example, around Paris in France or Hamburg in Germany, where industry partners are working with federal and local governments to move things forward. In the Netherlands, Poland, and the UK, we see similar developments. All around Europe, there is a strong momentum building for hydrogen. So the big question is, how can we build on this momentum? Toyota will deliver its leading fuel cell solutions, in our passenger cars, of course, but also in other applications, like buses, commercial vehicles, stationary power, and a number of other areas. We will also be working closely with industry partners and governments to help stimulate the development of hydrogen ecosystems in more places. Today, we can really feel the momentum for hydrogen growing. Every day, there's a new significant announcement that involves fuel cell technology. So costs are reducing, applications are multiplying, and infrastructure is rapidly expanding. And Toyota is at the forefront of this movement. So we will continue to strongly work with industry partners and governments to deliver the hydrogen society for the better of all. So thank you for your attention.